How to add a lesson. To move from one week to the next in the diary, you can swipe left and right, as well as scrolling up and down to view different times of day. To add a lesson, tap on the diary where the lesson will be added. The date and start time of the lesson will be automatically inputted for you. Now you can select the pupil, enter the lesson duration, and choose if the lesson needs to be repeated. Then click Save. Under the advanced options, you can enter further details if you wish. This includes the gearbox, pickup location, drop-off location, private notes, and a shared pupil summary. The clever Day View feature highlights existing events for the day and potential diary conflicts, therefore avoiding double bookings. Once the lesson has been added, your pupil will receive a booking notification of the date and start time of the lesson. Then, just before your cancellation window, your pupil will receive a lesson reminder. They will also have the option to check in, confirming they will be attending the lesson and giving you peace of mind. Lessons can be automatically synchronized to both Apple and Google Calendar, sharing key details with family and loved ones. You can easily edit the lesson details by tapping the lesson, followed by the Edit button. The lesson summary displays key information, including the pupil's credit, progress, sat-nav directions, and prepaid status. A lesson can also be added from the Quick menu by tapping the round blue button in the bottom right-hand corner displayed throughout the app, or from the pupil's account profile. Within the account profile is the pupil's lesson record card, allowing you to see both past and booked lessons for that pupil. You can also add a lesson through the web admin at www.totaldrive.app.